Good afternoon, children. Yesterday we did some word problems, isn't it? Today also we have to do some word problems. After we have to take a topic estimation. Okay. Before that we have to do some more word problems. Yes. The question is, children. Question: to stitch a shirt. All of you listen here. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? Look here, children. To stitch a shirt, two meter 15 centimeter cloth needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched? The question is, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? And how much cloth will remain? The question: to stitch a shirt, 2 meter and 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched? Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will it remain? The length of the cloth is 40 meter and cloth needed to stitch a shirt, that is 2 meter and 15 centimeter. So here 2 meter and 15 centimeter needed to stitch a shirt and the length of that cloth is 40 meter. So you have to find out how many shirts you can stitch from this 40 meter and how much cloth remain. That you have to find out. For that purpose, here children, the one is the cloth needed, that is 2 meter and 15 centimeter and length of the cloth is 40 meter. So you want to convert this 2 meter and centimeter into centimeter and this 40 meter also convert into centimeter. Okay. Listen here. So 1 meter is equal to how much centimeter, children? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, isn't it? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. 12 meter is equal to 1200. That is 1200 centimeter. That is 1200 means 1200. So 20 meter is equal to 2000. That is 2000 centimeter. 20 into 100, that is 2000, 2000 centimeter. If 40 meter means 4000, 40 into 100, that is 4000 centimeter. So this 40 meter convert into centimeter, that becomes 4000 centimeter. And here look here, 2 meter and 15 centimeter. 2 meter means 200 centimeter. 200 centimeter plus centimeter. 200 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, that is 215 centimeter, isn't it? 215 centimeter. Then 5 meter and 20 centimeter, that is 500 and 5 meter means 500 centimeter plus 20 centimeter, that is 520 centimeter, isn't it? Then 12 meter and 10 centimeter, that is 1210 centimeter, that is 1200. 12 meter means 1200 plus 10 centimeter. Okay, then you have to convert this meter into centimeter and after that you can divide that, isn't it? Then how much shirts you can make with that 40 meter. So what is the statement, children? The statement: length of the cloth. What is the length of cloth, children? That is 40 meter. 40 meter means 4000 centimeter, isn't it? That is 4000 centimeter. And cloth needed to stitch a shirt. Cloth needed to stitch a shirt. That is 2 meter 15 centimeter. That means 215 centimeter. Then next, number of shirts. Number of shirts can stitch from 40 meter is equal to 4000 divided by 215. 4000 divided by 215, that you have to do it here. 4000 divided by 215. Then first you can 3 digit. You can take it here 3 digit, that is greater than 215. Okay. Then 200 out of 400, 200 2 times. But this one is 215. So that is 1 time. 215. What is remaining? Yes. Yes. Then 185. Then 1850. Then 10 means 2150. So we can take it 7 or 8. 8 we can take. 8 5s are 40. Remaining 4. 8 1s are 8 1 plus 12. Remaining 1. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17. Yes 0. Yes. 130. Remaining 130. That 130 means, so 18 shirts you can stitch from this 4000 or 40 meter cloth. How many shirts? 18 shirts. You can stitch 18 shirts from 40 meter cloth. And what is remaining? 130. 130 means that is 130 centimeter. 130 centimeter means cloth remaining, that is 1 meter 30 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter 30 centimeter. Okay. Yes, next one. One more problem that you have to do, children. That is, medicine is packed in boxes. Medicine in packed in boxes. That is, each weighing 4 kilogram and 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kilogram? That is, medicine is packed. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing in boxes, each weighing 4 kilogram and 500 gram. 4 kilogram, 500 gram. And how many such boxes can be loaded? How many such boxes can be loaded in a van that cannot be beyond 800 kilogram. Beyond 800 kilogram. Yes. Medicine, look here. Next up, medicine is packed in boxes. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kilogram. That medicine is packed in boxes, and each box is, the weight of each box is 4 kilogram and 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot be beyond 800 kilogram? That is just as that how many shirts we stitch from that 40 kilogram. Likewise this one also. And this one, the weight of the box is 4 kilogram and 500 gram. And that is that boxes can be loaded in a van that cannot be beyond 800 kilogram. So that is in between the 800 kilogram. So you have to convert this kilogram and gram into gram. And this also, this 800 kilogram also in gram. 1 kilogram is equal to how much gram, children? 1000 gram, isn't it? 1000 gram. So this 4 kilogram and 500 gram means 4500 gram, and 800 gram, 800 kilogram means 800 thousands. That means 800,000. Look here, 8 lakh. So you have to, that is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Then 800 kilogram is equal to, that is 8 lakh gram. So you have to divide this 8 lakh gram with 4500 gram. Okay, that you have to do it. That is as a homework. Okay, then we can take it next one. Next, estimation. Estimation. Estimate. You want to estimate the quantity of the products. We have to estimate how many persons came for a function and how many children participate in the program. Estimating. Well, estimation means you have to say, we can't say the correct number of the persons participating in the item or correct number of quantity needed. On that time we have estimating, that is approximately. Then we can tell that is approximately 1000. How many persons participate in that? That is approximately 1000 person. Or how many children participate? That we can say. How many children participate in the programs? That already we can say. But how many children, if a marriage function or other big function are doing, then on that time we can't say how many persons came on that function, isn't it? So we can say that is approximately 2000 people or approximately 500%. That means approximately means nearest. Approximately. That means nearest. Nearest. Approximately 2000 persons came there means approximately 2000 means nearest to 2000. Nearest to 2000. That means that is below 2000 but above 1500 or 1750. That is nearest to 2000. So that is beyond, not beyond 2000 approximately. So we have to rounding of the number. If we can't say the correct estimation, we can't say correct estimate that number, then we have to rounding of that number, children. You look here, rounding off. Rounding off, that is nearest one we have to rounding off. Then first one, nearest tens, rounding off nearest tens. Look here, tens. Which are the tens, children? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, likewise. That is nearest to, that is tens. And hundreds means 100, 200, 300, 400, likewise. And thousands means 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, like that. And so that is tens, hundreds, thousands. And we have to rounding of the number nearest to tens. Look here, this one is the 27, or look here, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 children. Look here. In here 17, we can take the number 70. 70. 70 here, 1 tens here and 1 tens here. Here 10, here 20. This is 2 tens, isn't it? 10, 20. The number is, we are taking nearest 20. 70, which the number is 17. Which one is the nearest tens for this 17? Which one is the nearest tens means 17. This 17 can go here. That is better, isn't it? That is 3 digits here, 18, 19, 20. But if this 17 is want to go here, 10, that means 7 distances, that is 7 digit distances. But here 3 digit distances. So the nearest tens for 17 is, that is 20. That is, that 17 can go here that is better rather than this 10. And if we take 33, look here. If 33, when we are taking 33, the nearest tens means that is going to 30 because 3 digit distances. And if this 33 is going to 40, that means 7 digit distances. That is too far. And here also too far. That is which one is the nearest tens that you have to rounding off. Okay. So here 5 and more than 5. Look here. 5 here 15. 15 and more than 15 that is going to 20. And below 5 that is going to next to tens. Okay. Yes. So the number 85, 92, 365, 422, 968. Look here. This one is the nearest tens means the 85, 5 and more than 5 that is going to nearest that next tens. Next tens means 85 in this 8 tens. Which one is the next tens? That is 90. 90. And 92 that is nearest tens means that is 90. 90, 365. Which one is the nearest tens? Here 65. So nearest 10 means 370. And 422, 22. So that is nearest 10 means in here nearest 10 that is 20 and 30. In that 302 here below 5. So we can take it 320. 968 that is 68. The nearest tens is 970. Okay. Yes, I will give you some homework, children. Nearest tens you have to write it. Rounding off nearest tens. Okay. Yes. 364, 813, 545, 629, 421, 934. You write it. Rounding off, which one is the nearest tens? You have to rounding off to the nearest tens. Okay. Then one more homework that I will send it through WhatsApp. Okay. Yes, bye children.